So yesterday late night we shared this chat on 45 minutes, and majority of the price action it's exactly what we expected, and especially from the area of sell where we look for a midterm correction to that impulsive wave, and price had come to that area of resistance. Now it becomes my target buy zone. So I want to see. Let me explain the structure. I was patient on that structure. Price great here, a supply roof. Great here, a supply roof, break of a supply roof, a return, break of a demand floor, followed by a retest. And when price return, broke the supply roof, return, broke the demand floor, but came back here to respect the structure. So now what I want to see is a breakout of this structure. So if I get a breakout of this structure, then it's an opportunity to go long. So this 45 minutes, it keeps you on notice. Now, if you want to go long at the moment, you have to be patient. You see, a lot of people have lost money. If you try to buy from this level without confirmation, the market is retracing and it could just be the end. It could go down from there. The reason there is a price action at this level, there's a structure at this level, and market is respecting that structure and it's formed a double top on that structure. First touch, second touch, it's a double top, and that could be the move down. So what I see technically is that your patience has to be applied. You need to wait for price to break above the structure, and that was why in my post yesterday I indicated it that it has to be on the above. So let price break out from that 45-minute structure, then we head back into a break of day before yesterday, 2,771.72. A break above that structure will be 2,779, where you see a considerable sale because that area also has a strong price action. The price action in that area is very strong. We have price here updating a supply roof, break of a supply roof, price returns here on demand and retest to a broken demand, which is a supply roof one, supply roof two, and next is going to be another supply roof three into 2,776, 2,779. So at that level, you expect a significant drop back into 2,762, 61. So if that happens, that might also be a foundation to, re-equip and re-energize buyers to give them the energy to move up to our ultimate supply roof. The ultimate supply roof is 2,786, where market close Friday high. So at that level, we'll be watched because some few pips close to previous all-time high. So at that level, that could actually bring in more fuel, bring in more sentiment, and but I just think at the moment that gold is overpriced. Let's be very honest, it is really overpriced. So if you're going long, just go long with a very strong caution. But there's a probability that if market plays into that structure, most likely that the market is coming into this level. Most likely, there's a very high probability. The probability is high. It's very very high that market will play into this structure. It will play into the structure. So if that happens, that will be a good time to see that you're taking a sell opportunity in the zone of 2,822.82 and maybe possibly above. But this is the sell structure for SAE USD on 45 minutes. So this is what we'll see, and we hope that the market follows analysis. But I can tell you there's a very strong reluctance to upswing. So if the Asians and the Sydney could not break this, it's an indication that they need extra liquidity. So at this level, you see market is making a considerable retracement, pulling out of resistance, pulling out of supply roof. It was our yesterday chart. So let's see what they want to do. Let's see what they want to do. Let's see it. Because it's a drop, a 60 pip drop, and reluctancy in buy and reluctancy in sell. We didn't have a healthy sell candle. So it's still a choppy sell candle as we came in into a choppy buy candle. So at the end of the day, we could just say there's reluctancy in buy, there's reluctancy in sell. So but we want impetus. We want sentiment driven by whatever the market provides as fundamental data. If they want to buy, let them buy. If they want to sell, let them sell. And when they want to sell, you see close of heavy, healthy candle. There's no healthy candle here. So it tells you that one big move, we clean everything out. One big move, all these things you see like this, we clean all out. So everybody has to be very careful. Let's wait and see if the market will clear this zone. If the market clears this zone, then it resumes a heavy candle uptrend. And if the market clears the supply roof, once this demand floor is cleared, once you see a break of structure on this demand, you see here price creating here as a demand floor, creating here as a demand floor, return here as a demand floor 2731, which I called 2 days ago. If we break out from this structure, you will see very strong healthy candle that will come down. It will come down again to challenge below 2700 mark. And it looks like the new descending trend line structure that SAU want to adopt as price continues to plummet. But you see, we are not at the moment praying for plummeting of price. We're trying to trade price action and see whatever the market does, the best way we can interpret it and play along as the day brings by change in sentiment. So this is what I see technically, and most of the things that we're seeing here, most likely that's what the market is going to do. And it feels so good to see that this midterm structure has actually stopped Asians. The Sydney and the Asians could not pass the structure. They could not pass. It was posted yesterday. Go and check our post. It was there. Go and check. So it is what it is.